video explains how to use the Organizational Effectiveness Network dashboard. First, go to the intranet, scroll down, and look for Organizational Effectiveness Network Leadership Dashboard and Management Data. Click on that link. You may want to bookmark the link so that you don't have to look for it every time. From here, you'll see that there are two scroll bars. There's one main scroll bar all the way to the right that scrolls the entire page. Then there's a second scroll bar here that scrolls the dashboard. To use the dashboard, click below the word network and choose the network that you want to look at. We'll look at Massachusetts. Here you can scroll down to see the entire dashboard for Massachusetts. You're also able to scroll sideways to see left to right. If you decide that actually you want to look at a different network, click here again, choose the drop-down arrow, and choose the network you want to look at. We'll look at DC. Again, you can scroll down, you can scroll sideways to see all of the data. Up here, you can see when the dashboard was last updated. If you want to look at a specific school, click here on the School View tab. To get here, you'll need to use the main scroll bar on the whole window. In the School View tab, you can look school by school at specific data. This is very helpful if you're visiting a school or if you're a coach and you want to know how a particular school is looking with their data. First, choose the network that you want to look at. We'll choose Louisiana, then choose the school. The list of schools will be populated based on what you choose in your network. Choose the school you want to look at, then you can scroll down to see all of the information. Finally, if you want to look at all of the data available on all schools in the organization, click on the Raw Data tab. This is where all of that data is presented in a table format. You can use the horizontal scroll bar to look across at all of the information. You also can use this screen to filter for particular things. We'll use a coach filter and we'll look just at Madeline schools. Choose Filter, then Contains, then type in the coach's name. Here the table is showing us only Madeline schools. To undo the filter, simply click on it again and click Clear Filter. You can filter for all of these columns that have arrows in them. You may notice that there are some small boxes at the top with plus signs in them. These are just collapsed columns that we haven't yet filled with data because it's too early in the year. Finally, if you want to download the table to print it or manipulate it on your desktop, simply click on this green button. It says Download. It will download the Excel to your desktop, and you're able to open it and do all of the same things. Be careful in Excel because if you type anywhere in any of these, it will overwrite formulas. Finally, if you want to print something, perhaps because you're visiting a school, most of these are set up already to print. The school view page will print in a single page document. And that's how you use the dashboard. If you have any questions, contact Corey or Jeremy on OE. Thanks.